Hi, I'm Bosman. I came from Brisbane, basically just as to widen my interest in 3D printing. It helped me a lot to go through this course and to understand what's out in the field, what's the possibilities of in terms of flexibility, rubber, solid parts. What can you do? I really appreciate the fact that we could be hands-on as well in the factory and have a look at the actual machines printing. So I think it is definitely for myself was a big eye-opener, and also to realize that there's a massive potential in moving forward, and obviously not for myself but also for the industry. So yeah, quite exciting of where we're going with this and where this is going to develop to in the coming years. So very excited.